heading to Disney Springs now. We're gonna try their brunch at Wine Bar Georgia. We've never been to Wine Bar George. Well, we've always heard really good things about it, and I think recently they just added a brunch menu, so I thought we would check it out today, and then we'll do some shopping, and who knows what else we'll do today, so stay tuned. Sunday, friends. We just had brunch at Wine Bar George here at Disney Springs. It was absolutely incredible. I was so impressed by it all, and the food was great. We had the cheese board. We started with the cheese board. We had Bloody Mary. It was just the burrata. You gotta get the burrata if you guys check it out. It was just incredible. So I encourage you guys to stop by and check it out.